Hello everyone, I am Fiona. In this video, we will explain the 5 most common alarms on the input screen of the molding machine. When the EPS shape molding machine has an alarm, the touch screen will automatically pop up an alarm prompt to help do the troubleshooting. At the same time, you can also enter the input and output page to view real-time information. Hydraulic motor normal, X20, vacuum motor overload, X21, filling motor overload, X22, level sensor, hopper level 1, X37, hopper level 2, X40, safe gate alarm, front safe gate, X24, back safe gate, X25. For more information about the EPS machine and EPS mold, please contact us by email or mobile phone. We will be happy to answer your questions.